Hi guys! Today in this video, you are going to learn how to enable fake GPS location on your Android phone. To enable this, first you need to turn on developer options on your phone. First, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on About Device. Scroll down again and tap on the option that says Version. Here, find the option that says Version Number. However, if you are unable to find this option, go back to Settings and use the search bar to search for the version number. Once you find the option, quickly tap 7 times on the version number to enable developer options. Once the developer options are enabled, you will see a message that says, "You are now in a developer mode." That's it! Now the developer mode is enabled on your device. To find it, go to Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on System and Update. From here, you can see a new setting that says Developer Options. However, if you still can't find it, go back to Settings, use the search bar, and search for Developer Options. That's it. As you can see, the developer options are now enabled on your device. Once you enable the developer options on your phone, next, you need to install the GPS emulator app from the Play Store. The app is free to download. To do this, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone and search for GPS Emulator app. You can find the app link in the description. Download and install the app on your Android phone. Once the app is installed on your device, go back to Developer Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and go to the Location section. Here, you can see the Select Mock Location app setting. Tap on it. Now select the app you just downloaded from the Play Store. Now open the app and set any location. Once you select your location, tap on the green location icon in the bottom center. If it is your first time, tap on the permissions and allow all the required permissions. That's it! Now your Android phone uses the location from the GPS Emulator app. Now you can open any app and share your live location to test it. For instance, here I am using Google Maps. As you can see, when I tap on my current location, it shows the location that I have set in the GPS Emulator app. To change the location, you can now go back to the GPS Emulator app and set a new location. That's it! This is how you can set a fake GPS location on your Android phone. However, this video is strictly for educational purposes only. I hope you find this guide helpful. For more tutorials like this, subscribe to our channel.